No, I bring hate with my presence, seeking vengeance. Now I've decided your sentence. Count the seconds. To me you all look like peasants. Power endless, hoping you've all learned your lesson. Jihad, legend. You do not understand pain. You cannot even imagine my brain running a mile a minute. I feel it, I'm asking the questions that drive me insane. What do I say? I'll make you pay. Me, my brother, but I will not play. Night I will slay, out on my way. I am the predator, you are the prey. Ay, ready for the battle that will start soon. Ay, stronger now that I've killed a rich from our root. Ay, do you know the choices I've gone through? Ay, cause I'm sick of Donzo and his Zombu. Ay, do what I want to. You make me shouting but I can't respond to meaningless words. You're so absurd. Think I will stop cause the thoughts you clung to. I am not done, you coming right at me. Thought it was over when I killed Itachi, but it felt badly that he was actually working for Konoha, living in agony. I know I gotta be the one to end this. I am just a vessel full of vengeance, hoping that you cover up my entrance. You will feel my fury is relentless. No, I bring hate with my presence, seeking vengeance. Now I've decided your sentence. Count the seconds. To me you all look like peasants. Power endless, hoping you've all learned your lesson. Jihad, legend.
No, I bring hate with my presence, seeking vengeance. Now I've decided your sentence. Count the seconds. To me you all look like peasants. Power endless, hoping you've all learned your lesson. Jihad, legend.
This is your final fight, you're gonna die tonight. Looks like your comrades are dead and gone, exploding like dynamite, feeling the serpent's bite. Open my eyes for the showering gun. Won't be long, gonna close the book, take a look at my story. Done, cause I'm strong. Now you're feeling shook cause you took my Chidori. Run, housing my ninja, so it's difficult to submit to qualify my desire. Pumping through my body, gasoline, body through your tissue. Nothing issue that continues aiming high. You'll retire if you ever did a battle me. I've got the chilling aura that for sure will rattle bones. If you're so obsessed with me, stop messing with me, Naruto. My chakra was sharky, assuring my ability to use my key to stop